The thing is that Kaaba is the Qibla. The Quran says in Surah Baqarah chapter number 2 verse number 144 that wherever you are pray in the direction of the Kaaba, in Arabic direction is Qibla. So Kaaba is only for direction. For example, today if you have to pray here, some will say let's face thought, some will say not, some will say is. Some will say best will do you face the for unity. We face the toward one direction Kaaba. So Kaaba is our Qibla. No Muslim ever worships the Kaaba, and when the world map of geography was drawn, the first time it was the Muslim who do the world map. First it was Al-Dursai in the year of 1154 who do the world map, and when the Muslim do the world map, there are south pole on top, north pole down, and the Kaaba is the center. Later on the Western cartographers come and they turn the map upside down, north pole top, south pole down. Yet the Kaaba in the center, so which are part of the world you are. If you are staying in the north, you face toward the south. If you are in the east, you face toward the west. If you are in the west, you face toward the east. If you are in the south, you face toward the north. All Muslims throughout the world, they face in one direction. Kaaba. Now when you go for Umrah, when we go for Eid with our from the Kaaba, we circular ambulate. Why do we circular ambulate? Basically because of a God creator, because Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam derivative. You ask me logically what the reason thought it is not mentioned in the Quran Hadith. If I the logically person want to think why do we circular ambulate, the reason I can think is every circle has got one center. We circular ambulate on the Kaaba to testify there is one God, because circle has got only one center and present. And the statement of Hazrat Omar, the second Khalifa of Islam, which is mentioned Sahih Bukhari 1 number 2 in the book of Hajj, chapter number 56, hadith number 675. The second Khalifa of Islam has said this black stone pointed at the Hajj author, the black stone in the Kaaba. This black stone can neither benefit me, can neither harm me. I am kissing it only because my Prophet kissed it. This statement proves that no Muslim ever worshipped the Kaaba. Furthermore, at the time of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, there was Sahabas who stood on the Kaaba and gave the adhan. No idol worship, no idol worshipper will never stand on the idol he or she worships. This proves that the Muslim don't worship the Kaaba. Kaaba is only the Qibla. It's only a direction